Guys, check it out. Welcome back. I could tell you guys a little while we were at the other property. This video is gonna go up separately, but check it out. Come over here. This is a retaining wall that we built, decorative retaining wall that we built for this homeowner here. We gave it like a 2-inch lip right here. There's lights, landscaping lights, landscaping. We removed some plants. We transplanted some plants. We planted new plants. Check it out. Beautiful results. The grass grew here nicely. It does get a little swampy here, so I knew the grass was gonna do good here. But this is pretty much it. I think I have a video of that night, I don't know. But we put in landscape lighting. You guys can see the light right here. And then we put in the transformer back there. Let's come over here. Here's the transformer that we use for the landscape lighting. And then we come this way. Go around that way and show them. Check it out. Check it out. Everything's looking good. We also put mulch in the property. We redid this little natural source for water here. Back here, we ended up pushing all the leaves. Pretty much everywhere in the perimeter, we removed a lot of leaves. Ended up pushing all the leaves far back into the wood. Like I said, we got mulch here. Pretty much it back here. It was all those leaves right that you see right there. They were all pretty much over here. We pushed all the leaves back out of here. We cleaned it up. We did this project like I want to say a month ago. And then they used to have old break up front, and we ended up using it here to kind of enclose this area for them. So it's a look kind of, somewhat enclosed here. It looks nice. And then we also ended up adding a bunch of gravel over here, right here. A bunch of new wash gravel right here, all along the driveway. Check it out. Same thing on that side, both sides. And then what we ended up doing here is we ended up doing a complete cleanup, leaf cleanup. We removed the dead branches. We lifted the trees up. Pretty much everything that needed lifted up, we lifted it. We removed a whole bunch of leaves. It was a lot of leaves, weeds, whatever weeds that we could get in here, sticks, everything from the yards. Complete cleanup, maintenance, and everything. We maintain this house. We don't mow this house. We're not mowing it, but we are just doing projects here and there. We do plow it regularly on a yearly basis. And then we come this way. We ended up installing number 2-3 wash gravel, river rock. It's a bigger stone right here on the edges, just so the homeowner can, expand the driveway a little bit, and we're able to get in with ease, because if we let the grass come in, it's too narrow of a driveway to get in and out. So that's pretty much going to round this up. And then we had a whole bunch of leaves right here. You guys can see where all that dead grass is, where there's no grass. There was a whole bunch of leaves there. We cleared everything out, but that's pretty much it for this project, guys. I hope you guys liked the results. Like I told you guys, I'm going to add pictures too at the end, so you guys can see how everything came out. And then, like I said again in the other video, if you guys are interested in an estimate or something like this, you can reach me at 440-725-4974. And then we can pretty much make anything work for you, or we can work with any budget. I'll let you guys know as well what works in your budget, what works best for your budget, and then what we can do to, alternatives to certain budgets and all that. So from big projects to small jobs, we can do it all, and we can make it work for you. So that's pretty much gonna wrap this project up, guys. Most of these houses have dogs, so we're trying to wrap it up quick because the dogs start barking in the windows, and we don't want to bother the homeowners or anything too much. But that's pretty much gonna wrap up this project, guys. We also did work on the next door neighbor, but he is doing some mechanic work there, so I'm gonna wait on that video because I'm gonna come back to do another project for him, and then I'll show you guys what we did. a couple months ago on his property too, along with the new project that we're gonna be doing. So that'll be in a future video. Like he said, like in 2 or 3 weeks, we're gonna come back and do his project. So that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up, guys. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.